Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a custom GPT. And the idea of custom GPTs is now you can create an artificial intelligence model that is customized with your own specific data. So let me show you how can you do that using ChatGPT 5, which is pretty straightforward. On the left-hand side, you will see GPTs. You click on it. And now it opens, kind of think of it as the App Store, but here with AI instead. So now there is a Scholar GPT. This GPT has seen 200 million research papers, for example. There are so many here GPTs for productivity, for education, and so on. And you can also see here for programming, for example, these are GPTs. Think of it as customized AI model that do specific tasks for you, far better compared to the regular ChatGPT or GPT model. So what you could do right now is you can go ahead and click on create, and you can simply customize your GPT. You can give it a name, you can give it a description, you can give it instructions. You can also upload knowledge as well here, for example. What you could do as well here is you can give it access to web search, so it can go and search the web. You can also give it the ability for Canvas, if you're familiar with Canvas. You can also give it code interpreter and data analysis. So now this GPT can generate code, can analyze data, and it can also generate images as well. So what you could do is you can go ahead, click on create, and instead of configuring and kind of filling out all these items, now you can describe to the ChatGPT 5 what you want the GPT here for you to do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to assume that you are, let's say, a competitive analysis expert specializing in the home improvement industry, for example, and your role is to compare two 10K documents. So what I got here is I got two 10K documents. Let me show you. So here I got a 10K document for two companies. One of them is Lowe's company. The other one is for Home Depot. And what I would like to do is I would like to create a competitive analysis custom GPT that is going to simply compare these two 10K documents together and perform an analysis for us. Let me show you. So here, all I need to do is to simply copy that prompt. So this is going to be my system prompt. I want you to analyze the 10K reports, for example. I want you to perform SWOT analysis. I want you to, of course, here I'm going to enable code interpreter as well. So I'm just going to copy that, going to come back here. I'm going to paste this prompt, click run. And now what's going to happen behind the scenes is basically GPT-5 is going to start to create that a custom GPT for us. All right, so here it came back and asked me, okay, like suggested name, home improvement, 10K analyst. I'm going to say, sure, go ahead. Yes, I like the name. So now it's going to choose that name for us. And now it is generating a profile picture as well for that custom GPT. So here we go. So if you're happy with the picture, I'm going to say, sure, yes, I like it. This looks great. And please note that here is going to ask you, okay, do you want to refine this further? If you go back to configure, now you should see here a name that has been created for the custom GPT. And here we got a nice figure as well that is being created. So if I go back, it's going to ask me, okay, when are you happy with it? I'm just going to say, sure. Do you want to refine it? I'm going to say, I'm good with it. Please fill out the instructions. So what you see right now, it is simply updating that GPT, and it's going to go and configure that GPT for us. So it's going to take maybe a few seconds for it to be updated. So here we go. So now if I go back to configure, now we should see our name for the GPT. We got a figure as well. We got a description. We got instructions, and it's also got some conversation starters. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on upload files. I'm going to upload the Lowe's 10K document in here, and that, think of it, will be part of the knowledge base for the custom GPT. So the idea is we're going to keep all the information about Lowe's here as part of the background of the custom GPT. And when I'm running it, now I can upload maybe the Home Depot or maybe Walmart or maybe any other competitor, for example. If everything looks good, I'm going to enable code interpreter here, which is going to go ahead and click create. And I'm going to say only me. Of course, you can make it available as well on the GPT store. So it's going to take a few seconds for it to run. And if you click on view GPT, now you got basically a GPT here, okay, which is up and running. And now you're talking to the home improvement 10K analyst, for example, and it showed here the creator as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload, let's say, the Home Depot 10K document. And I'm going to run here this specific prompt, which is this prompt here. So this is what we call it a user prompt. And we use the user prompt right now to simply perform a competitive analysis. So I'm going to do here, just going to copy all of that. And here I'm asking it, I want you to please go ahead. I want you to generate a competitive analysis showing all the key financial metrics and net earnings and growth rates. And I'm going to upload the Home Depot 10K document here. If everything looks great, I can just go ahead and click run. And now you are talking to the custom GPT that you just created. So let's wait and see. All right, so here we go. Now you see the custom GPT was able to show you all the different financial performance for Lowe's versus Home Depot, and showing you as well all the different key insights as well. And this is incredible because now you can use that custom GPT to perform multiple comparisons with various, let's say, competitors, like let's say Walmart or any other company. With that, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.